Okay, we are here and it's time to start wrapping everything. It seems like it's going to be quick and easy, but experience taught me that it's never quick and easy. So we'll see how that goes today. But it is the last time we are here in this space when everything's nicely set up. I'm gonna miss it, but I'm really glad to be moving, and the next space is just a little bit better. I am supposed to let the moving company know by around 4 today, which is Thursday, and they should be able to move it tomorrow, which is Friday. And if that happens, I'll be moved by the end of this week, and next week on Monday I will be able to start setting everything up in the new space. I'm actually so hungry right now, but I decided to wrap some stuff first and then take a break. So yeah, let's get started. Please explain this to me. I like to tidy and I like to keep things organized, and I do have things organized, and still I have just started and I already cannot find a proper Allen key. I have so many and none of them fit this or this, and I can't disassemble them. And I have to. How is it possible? I can't find it anywhere. Well, great start. Great start. I am so happy right now. I found the one that fits this one, so I can remove these. But with these, well, we'll see. I cannot find the one that would fit this one. Oh, well. Oh my gosh, success. I found one that fits this one as well. Yay! It's not the one that arrived with it, but I mean, it fits, so that's what matters. Yay! Okay, I've packed a lot of stuff already, almost an entire bench and most of the tools, and it looks very messy here right now, but I have it under control, trust me. So I am now going to take a short break, grab something to eat, and then I'll continue packing. Time for a short break. I'm going to eat some sandwiches. I have my tea and I have Kendall Ray on YouTube on, so I'm just going to take a quick break. Right, I am almost done. Almost. But I have a problem with this ball vise. I have no idea how to pack it and like where to put it in, because it weighs 10 kilo. This little thing. It's really heavy, very uncomfortable to carry, so I just don't know. I have no idea. I'll need to figure something out. And what was the other thing? Oh yeah, I just need to take off my artworks from the wall, because I'm not leaving those behind. Okay, so I thought I packed everything, and you know when this happens? Of course I forgot about something. Okay, I'm going to have to pack it. But when I do, I'm actually almost done. Whoops. Okay, all done. All packed up. It looks like it's more than it is when it's like on the shelves. But it's also because a lot of items have to be protected. But considering, so this is the light, there are some bits over there, then a trolley and a bench, and my gems are in the little drawers over there. And then there's just this trolley with some bits, and everything else fit into all of these boxes. By the way, I'm not talking to the camera anymore because, as you can see, the light here right now is brutal, so don't mind me that I am just not showing myself anymore. my goodness. Okay, yes. Wait, hang on. Just give me a second. Right, so I just finished in my old studio space. It's done. And now I'm here, so time to set it all up. Hopefully it's not going to take a lot of time, but you know how it is. We'll see. It is louder here. Unfortunately, it's louder here. Well, maybe not louder, but it is also loud. So still with the filming, I would probably be doing this after hours when like people from offices are gone. But I really love the light. Look how much light I have now. I'm very excited. Okay, stop rambling and let's get started with all of these things. I don't know, can you tell I'm excited? Yeah, I'm excited. I know I'm alone here because obviously there's no one next to me, and I still managed to get scared by this thing because it touched me. It touched my butt. What's wrong with me? I am definitely moving the bench from here by the window because I've realized that I need it for ventilating system. I would have to really put it in the middle for me to be able to fit the fume extractor over there. So I'm just going to put it by the window, I think. Yeah. So this is mostly done. I need to take out the trash and there's some stuff I'll be taking home, all of this. And yeah, I only have one more desk, so I am definitely getting some shelves over here. And I don't know, I'm thinking about a second trolley, but probably not this one, but something slightly different. We'll see. But for now, yeah, that's how this looks like. The bench is almost set up as well. I just need to put up the fume extractor. I am not going to keep all of that stuff over there on the window. I'm just waiting for the shelving unit or something like that. I will organize packing station over there. But for now, it looks great. And if you're wondering if you should get this trolley, it's brilliant, you guys. It's so solid and sturdy, and you can fit so many tools on it. It's amazing. I love it. I am so tired now. It's really warm in here, which is brilliant. I am dressed so well. I will be able to be here in just a t-shirt, which is very exciting because I like to work when I'm dressed lightly. So yeah, I am very excited for this new space and to start working here. I love the light. It's brilliant. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I definitely have to remove this. I will have to ask the building administrator how to do it, because I tried today and I couldn't, and I hate it. It's so ugly. I hate it. I don't want it here. But that will be all for today. Just a quick update. I moved my workshop. I'm so excited to start working here and show you the area. I will see you soon, everyone. And you'll see what I get for this space. Many new projects will be coming soon. See you soon. Bye.